So you've sensed that someone on your farm is experiencing mental health challenges, and following an initial conversation, it's been confirmed. So what do you do next? There are several things that you can do, and they don't involve having training or deep insight into mental health. Be supportive. Just showing that you care may be more important than you realize. Show that first and foremost by being empathetic and a good listener. In a world where some proudly tell stories about individuals that have come home from the hospital with 100 stitches and still managed to clear the field, there is no mental health equivalent. If they mentioned their mental health problems, they may have been chastised at home for not pulling themselves up by their bootstraps. They need to know that what they are feeling is legitimate and that there is help available. Make resources available. You don't have to have the solutions to their concerns, but you can steer them on the path that will get them to a better place. For example, if they are struggling with alcoholism or depression, there are support groups and organizations that will help. Recommend they visit thinkmentalhealth.ca, the Center for Addiction and Mental Health, and help and suicide hotlines that are available and at the ready to provide support. The help is out there, and with the right encouragement, they will feel more comfortable to take the steps to seek it out.